My room doesn't work too. Hello.
Banging, huh? Banging. Bill just has discovered something. What's happening, Billy?
In this wall,
Uh-huh.
we got extra, probably good 90, 200 mil. We can add to the
So you
bathroom.
just removed the sheets and you discovered that
There's a
that
void.
that wall is not necessary, yeah?
Yeah, I think they just wanted to make the wall thick, to look like it's a thick wall.
Uh-huh. And is it okay? Oh, I've got all
Doesn't
the
hold
stuff
it,
in my head.
Doesn't carry anything. The Josh is not sitting on it.
And is it important that the wall looks thick or it's unimportant? What's the difference, yeah? Why would they want to make it look big?
Have a look at this one. This has no thickness.
Yeah.
Oh. But good about it here because we got this electrical box here and a towel strap. And I wanted to make the door through here to that bedroom.
Yeah.
Because of this void, I can put that into that space.
Oh, good.
Have a door, open
Nice.
it in there.
See, you only get to know what's there once you.
That's why I said to you, the reason I do it myself is because of this. If you have somebody knocking that down, they wouldn't.
Yeah, we had this conversation just yesterday. We had a student here came in to learn demolishing, and I said, if it wasn't for Bill, I probably would hire somebody to do it, because Bill does it. We kind of have fun together doing it, but it's a hard job, hard work. So if it wasn't Bill doing it, I would hire. Bill, wait, I'll just explain. And then I asked him, why are you doing it? Why don't, we could have just paid money for someone else. And you said that you rather do yourself so you can see what's there.
I find all these things myself. See, like, because of the plumbing and stuff, if you get a laborer doing it, you can easily do a lot of damage. Because they don't care. It's not like when you do it yourself.
Yeah, I'm more careful, yeah. Because sometimes we want to save those sheets, so we're careful when we're removing the tiles.
And also, like, bracing, for example, here. This one is okay, but that one here was just stapled on.
Oh, yeah.
So,
yes.
Normally the laborer, if he sees a ply, he would say, oh, yeah, we better leave it because that's a bracing. But being stapled, it's useless.
Yeah.
So you might as well take it off.
It was funny. It was just stapled, yeah.
So what I will do is, when I put the billboard here, I would nail it like a bracing. So it would do the job. It would probably do more bracing quality than that ply was that it was there stapled on. The staples. So yeah, just things like that.
Yeah, I hear you.
And also, I can also remove this part. So the wall can be there.
So we actually, I was wondering if we could move that little tiny bit backwards.
That can get out because nothing's sitting on it. See? So yeah, you can
Nice.
Nice.
Okay, well, good discovery. Love it.
Yeah, I wish there was more that side.
What do you mean?
It'd be good to have it that way.
What do you mean?
Because we're trying to grow the bathroom, but not this one. So this bathroom can be bigger.
So show me, where do you wish it was more space?
You could discover things behind here. So the thing went that way here. So this bathroom becomes bigger. This one not necessarily anymore, but it's good to have it extra.
Gotcha. I gotcha. Oh well, it's still doable, yeah. Like it's still not undoable. Alrighty, cool. That's the progress so far. So this is the downstairs room where we're making a door where the electrical cabinet was, yeah?
Still is there.
Still is for now, yeah?
It's going to go in there. All those wires will be in there. And then this is just basically like a the door will be there to open.
It's working out quite all right, yeah?
Everything is exactly perfect.
You said it's gonna be great.
It's great already.
So yeah, but it's good. It's working out quite all right because of this space in the wall. So all the electrical stuff can go in there. I got a hard hat given to me today for an early birthday. I've got a birthday next week. It's actually is a hard hat. Doesn't look like it, but it is. You learn something new every day, huh? So yeah, I'm already wearing it. Okay, cool. Love it when things work out, huh? Love it. So this is going to be the door in, and we will make this door opening into the ensuite. Yeah. Cool. All right, we should stop. It's 5:30, almost 6 o'clock actually. Yes. Yes, and I can see that you removed some wooden framing in here, so made even more space. That's what you call strip down. That's a strip down for sure.